Alright, today we're going to be replacing this outside hose faucet. It's in pretty bad shape. The Cpvc busted on the inside there. What was that? Oh no. Are you chugging beers again on the job?
What? Ah, damn. No, what, beer? No, I ain't drinking beer on the job now. I would never do that. And don't be saying that out loud. The customer's right inside.
Well, if you're not drinking beer, what do you have behind your back? Why do you gotta hide it?
Okay. Well, yes. Okay, I'm having a beer.
But it's like 8:30 in the morning.
Exactly. Okay. You know, I told my wife that I quit drinking. So if I go home, if I drink a beer at 2 in the afternoon, I'm still gonna smell like beer by the time I get home. All right.
Okay, well just don't touch nothing, because last time you drank on the job, you flooded out that house, remember?
I thought I told you never, ever bring that up again. And what the fuck are you doing with the goddamn phone? This is like an everyday occurrence. Give me the phone. Let me do the voiceover, all right? All right, we're going to get right to it here and ain't going to waste no time. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Teflon tape on them threads for my 1/2-inch Cpvc female adapter there. I'm going to go ahead and snip that Cpvc there with my PVC cutters. All right, nice and easy now. It's really easy to strip out them threads on that plastic, all right? You don't want to tighten it up too tight. You can over tighten it there. All right. Now you want it tight, don't get me wrong. All right, going to use that Odie right there, Cpvc glue. That's my favorite. Go ahead and put that glue on that plastic. Just like that. Nice and clean now. Always make sure you wipe off that excess. We don't like no runs. Be looking all bad. Even though it's in the crawl space, I know ain't nobody ever gonna see it. That's not important, all right? Supposed to do the right thing even when no one's looking. And I know what you're gonna say. Why are you drinking beers on the job then? Well, guess what? Because I'm an alcoholic. All right? Okay. There we go. Gonna get a little bit more glue on that plastic for my coupling here. Now, when you measure that, you always want to make sure you hold that pipe up to where it's going to go in the end. That way you can put that support on it, just like that right there. And would you look at that? Nice and clean. Going to go ahead and cut on that valve. Make sure there ain't no leaks. And just like that, you have the outside hose faucet.